Okay folks, so here we are going to show you how to get past the Windows password not using any external hardware or software. And to do this, we will first go ahead and restart the computer. And when it gets to here, I'm going to hold down the power key to shut it off. And that is going to pose a problem for Windows, which is going to be where we come in through that trajectory. Start back up again. It's going to bring us to here. We want to launch the startup repair. Computer was unable to start. I'm sure it'd probably actually be fine if we started it up normally, but we don't know the password, or that's what we are pretending at the moment. So we're gonna get through this password no problem. Do we want to restore using system restore? No, we're gonna cancel. So, after quite some time, you're going to see something that says, Startup Repair cannot repair this computer automatically. We don't want to send the information about the problem, and we don't want to do anything like that. We want to actually click on this, and we're going to go down to the bottom of this report. We are going to view the online privacy statement, which comes up in Notepad. In Notepad, we're going to go in the File menu to open. Now, using the Explorer that comes up when we click on open, we're going to go into your computer. You want to go to your local disk, which is like your regular hard drive. They probably have different drive letters here. Just make sure you click on local disk. And then you're going to go into Windows. In the Windows folder, you're going to go to System 32. Now in System 32 you are going to look for a program called SetHC. So we're going to head, oh I'm sorry, we got to switch this over to all files. There we go. I'm going to hit S a few times, get down to the S's. We're going to be looking for SetHC. Okay, this is the right neighborhood. SetHC, here it is. This is actually your sticky keys application. We're going to rename that. We'll just call it SetHC back. As in, it's a backup. Now in the same folder we are going to look for CMD, which is in, obviously that's your command line program. CMD. There it is. Now we are going to copy CMD. We are going to paste CMD. And now we are actually going to rename CMD to SetHC. And that will make your command line come up when you turn on sticky keys for accessibility options. Okay, so alright, once we've renamed that, we're going to close out of this. We'll close out of our notepad. We are going to don't send and just go ahead and finish out. Computer has come back up now. I'm going to click on the shift button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we go. We've got a command prompt. As you can see, it is running under administrator command prompt. Would you look at that? Okay, so now that we have a command prompt, we are going to want to use the command net user. This will bring up user accounts for this computer. We've got administrator, we've got guest, we've got owner, and update us user, something like that. This is an HP computer, and so the default logon username is actually owner. I changed that to Ultimate Peter, but apparently it's still registering in here as owner. So I am going to do net user and owner. If you have a username that is 2 words, like first and last name, or say Ultimate Peter had a space between it, you would actually use quotes and space and do it like that. But as we can see right there, we have the username owner, so we will type that in. Okay, so that command gave us some information on that user. So it shows that owner is a local administrator group member. Now I'm actually going to do net user owner space star, and it's going to want to know what I want the password to be for owner, sudo ultimate Peter. I'm actually just going to leave it blank, and I'm going to confirm it as blank. And the command prompt went away, and I'm just going to enter blank. Well, there we go. Now we're in Windows as Ultimate Peter. Just make sure and pay attention to what's on that net user screen, listings of usernames, and you should be good to go.